talk to you.
You never asked me to ride with you.
No, but don't film me. Don't.
Alright, so what we have going on today. Last night the Baron went out on a roller, on a draper. So we're in the process of taking it off. There's the roller. And there's a freaky carriage bolt that's spinning and won't let me get it out. So I have to cut it out today. So we moved it out of the wheat field, put it on the runway where there's grass. John Deere should have did a way better design at doing this shit, because this is the biggest pain in the ass changing a simple bearing as anything I've ever seen in my life. And they don't make them to last. These bearings go out all the time and it gets ridiculous. And I think I got one going out on that side, the header too. So right now, this morning, the focus is on with this thing. All right, so we got the bearing on. I didn't video any of it because it's a nightmare job. They make it sound so simple, but it's a pain in the ass. I don't care what anybody says. So y'all are gonna test it out. It's that far belt. Let's see if she works. Come on, baby. We're about 220. Somewhere around there. Well, she seems to be holding up so far. Oh my God, I'm sweating. It's 94 degrees here. See. All right, so we just moved to a new farm. I got the big farm done. We're over here. We got about 50 some acres here to cut, and this weed is banging. I saw 158 earlier, and it's thick, as you can tell. Real thick. But it is good wheat, and it is the last farm that we have wheat on, and I will be glad to be done with this. Wheat 2021. 158. Take the camera off, then it doesn't. And it's not just us. I talked to, I can't remember what his name was on Instagram. He messaged me, and they were hitting like 162. 140, 150, 160. I mean, it's crazy. A lot of people's wheat's really good this year, and it's good because last year a lot of us got bit by the frost and had 20 bushels to the acre. So I'm glad to see everybody have good wheat this year. Our wheat is really good. We're probably doing 4 bales to the acre now on straw. It's just that thick. When we started out, it was like 2, then it was 3, now it's up to 4. I mean, good straw, good everything. So it might even be over 4 by now. So good wheat, good straw, and just see how it goes. See you later. I got this wheat left. These are long rows. And then I got wheat over there, and that is it for 2021. But these rows, I mean, look, I was way back there. And these things run forever. About one round, and you can turn around and come back 300 yards and you're full. And it's thick too. It's good wheat. I don't care what part of the country you're in. If you can grow wheat like that, especially here in Maryland, you're doing all right. All right, so we're going back to cut the last bin of wheat for 2021. Pretty sunset. My brother's over here baling. Last field for both of us for 2021. And we are happy. I normally hate wheat, but this year the wheat did so good that you like wheat. I just hate the baling part. So we got all of it done. I just got a little section over here that I got to finish. About a bin full. It's averaging 104 right now. That's what she's doing. Now tell me that ain't some good ass wheat. This Eastern Shore farmer, she just did get off. She was feeling a little nauseous. So I told her, I said, you know, when she got on here, she drove back here and rode with me a couple bins. And I said, well, good, you get to finish wheat 2021 with me. And she don't like the air conditioner blowing on her, and it's cold in here. But if you turn it off, then you get hot. So she decided she was going to go home and I guess wait for me to get there. So she didn't technically finish wheat 2021 with me. She was one bin shy. She toughed through it though. She rode with me. Normally she don't ride with me too much, but she did ride with me 3 or 4 times I think this wheat season. She wants to ride with me corn. She's rode with me several times cutting soybeans, but she's never rode with me cutting corn, and she wants to ride with me cutting corn. So this year we got plenty of beautiful tall corn, and she can ride with me corn season. So that'll be in August when we cut the 75 day. Of course, I like for her to ride with me too, to show her what we accomplish. You know, planting 2 crops around here. Wheat, beans, and then 75 day corn, and then beans. I mean, that's to me, that's a big deal, especially with the prices this year. So I'm very happy. You know, I'm sure we're not going to get the price we want for every bushel, but for some of it we will. So I got 4 pass, well, really 2 long passes and then 2 half passes, and then it will be in the books, and it'll be dark. The cameras on these things really make them look bright, but once that sun goes down, it does get dark quick. So she forgot to bring me my regular glasses. These are my prescription sunglasses. That's why you always see me wear them. I can't see, so without them. So, but I have to have black in front of my eyes because I can't have no sunlight in my eyes. That's the reason why I wear these so much. We only saw 1 fawn here on this field so far, and that's unusual because we got early beans in the back field, and we're probably a mile, this far is probably a mile long from the road to the back. It might even be more than a mile. And I mean, this back bean field, there ain't nothing to see 30-40 deer out here every afternoon. So I know the guys that have permits are going to start smacking them, because they will eat a whole entire field up quick. So anyway, that's today. Been cutting all day and we're getting it done, so you'll see the conclusion of week 2021. Alright, this is the last pass for wheat 2021. Starting to get a little tough, but she's gonna my baby's gonna get through this last pass. I'm glad y'all watched it with me, or were here with me while I did it. I might not take the best video, but at least I try. Now we just got to get the soybeans in. Thanks to everybody to help. My brother, Dad, above, Mr. Ben, Mr. James, everybody to help. Miss Eastern Shore Farmer, she even helped. So, been a good wheat season. We'll see what this field averaged. Clean that header off. Now the field did 104. So we'll put that to the trucks and just see how accurate it is, but it should be right there. That's not bad for a wheat field. Alright, thank you. See you everybody.